How to craft a mechanical eye in Terraria. So to craft this summon item for the twins, you need 3 specific ingredients. So you need 3 lenses, 5 iron or lead bars, and 6 souls of light. So the lenses are simple, just basically farm demon eyes on the surface at night, and the iron or lead bars are standard resources, and the tricky part is the souls of light. To get these, your world must be in hard mode, and you also need to travel underground to the underground hollow biome and defeat enemies there until you gather the 6 souls required. Now, once you have the materials, do not go to a regular anvil because it will not work. You must stand near a mithril or an orichalcum anvil to craft the mechanical eye. So if you haven't mined enough hard mode ore to build one of these advanced anvils yet, you likely aren't geared up enough to fight this boss anyway. So now let's try to craft it. So I now have my materials. So just open up your crafting menu. And as you can see right here, we have the mechanical eye. So I'm just going to basically summon it or click on it to craft it. And now we can basically summon the twins, but it needs to be nighttime. So now we can try and summon the twins right here. And just like that, the twins has been defeated. And that is how you basically craft the mechanical eye in Terraria.